Look, we can deny that these past global events have changed things around. More and more people watching online content, shopping online, consuming online, and you're either consuming other people's content or creating content for other people to consume. Understand that this offline to online shift is creating endless new opportunities to go out there and make an insane amount of money without big investments and obstacles like it was before. The question is, are you ready to commit to the process? If so, it's time to learn new skill sets for the new digital economy. And regardless of the business model you decide to do, half of your potential audience, viewers, and customers are on the other side of a phone, laptop, tablet on a social media. Crazy, huh? For this reason, my friend, no matter what you decide to do, you do want to build your online influence and create digital assets. Since I'm always thinking how I can help you to shorten your learning curve, in this video I'll share with you the Evergreen strategy to make money online, the best social media platform to create passive income, and the best business model for beginners to make money online. Hi, Vanessa here, and welcome to my channel where you don't only learn how to make money online, but how to build digital estate so you can live your own version of laptop lifestyle. Okay, let's go straight to the point here. The strategy is very simple. Create search-based niche content around proven and profitable topics. Bear with me here. When people have a problem, they go online to find a solution for this problem, right? And here's where you come in action. What problem do you want to solve? How do you want to be known for? What topic that people are already looking for that you can become their go-to for their specific proven and profitable topic. From there, you're gonna start creating content in the specific niche you picked. But before you start creating content, you must research. You want to use keyword tools to figure out topics, keywords, competition, what people are actually looking for, not what you think they're searching. The goal is to become an authority in your niche, and you do that by talking about this one thing consistently for a long time. Even if you're not an expert in the topic yet, believe me, you become one over time. There's so many social media platforms to choose from. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, LinkedIn. But when you have a problem, you don't really go to Facebook or Instagram to look for the solution. You must go to YouTube or Google, right? For this specific strategy, I recommend you to focus first on YouTube. Second, but kind of the same time, on Google, because they both are search engines, which is the whole point here, correct? Listen to this. YouTube has over 2 billion active monthly users. It's about a quarter of the world population. Also, YouTube services are available in more than 100 countries in 80 different languages. So, no matter where you are in the world, you have the chance to leverage YouTube to reach people locally and internationally. Can you see the massive opportunity for you and for me to consistently create content and post, creating know, like, and trust in this platform? YouTube is the #1 video platform in the world, is the second most visited website in the world, and the second largest search engine in the world. It only loses for... Yeah, you got it right, Google. And that's why we want to have a website or a blog pairing with our YouTube channel. You can use the same content you create in 2 different formats, videos for YouTube and reading for your blog, which, by the way, your website will have more chance to rank on Google's first page if you have videos embedded in the articles. Another reason is that you can post and promote anything you want in your website. It's your digital space. When it comes to social media, you have to follow their rules. Here's the thing about social media. If you post something on TikTok today, in a week or so, the content will be lost on social media Neverland walls, while a well-planned video in your YouTube channel and an article on your blog will work for you years to come if you keep creating evergreen content. Another big thing for me is the fact that people look for your content, not the opposite. When you're trying to reach people on Facebook, for example, you need to look for people interested in your niche. You go to groups, answer questions, start a conversation. You work hard every day. When you focus your energy on search engines such as YouTube and Google, you create content around what people are actually looking for online. When Google and YouTube see that you're delivering good content, that you properly answer people's questions, they'll be more than happy to promote your videos and articles. So if you don't want to become a social media slave, you want to look into creating a YouTube channel and a blog. Just a disclaimer here that it's not a right or wrong social media platform to promote your content. It just depends on how you want to use your time and what's your strategy. What I'm saying here is that for this specific strategy, we are focused on search engines. Now that you know the evergreen strategy to make money online and where you want to post your content to create passive income, you might be wondering, okay, how do I monetize from it? And the best business model if you're totally new to this is affiliate marketing. I like to say that affiliate marketing is like a commission-based digital sales rep. You just need to choose what you want to promote and sign up for the company's affiliate program, which is kind of a permission to promote their products. From there, you get a unique link that was made just for you so the company can track your referrals, and when your referrals buy something, you get a commission. The difference is that with the digital sales rep, you're not a salesperson of a specific company. You want to create your personal brand by answering people's questions and sharing useful tips and recommendations as you guide people to the right products for them. Is it clear? Also, you're not restricted to your city, state. With the use of internet, you can reach people in Australia, Europe, Brazil, anywhere in the world as long as they are looking for your content. And automation, my friend. There are a few online tools such as Sales Funnel and Email Autoresponder that will make passive income a reality in your life. So in my opinion, affiliate marketing is the best business model for beginners for 3 reasons. 1, you don't need to create a product or service. You promote what's proven to work. You just need to put it in front of people who want to buy it. 2, you don't need to invest in inventory. You only bring people to the company's door. 3, you don't need to deal with any business hassles other than digital marketing. You only promote products. The company will deal with all the rest like shipping, customer service, payment. It's like have a business but you only do the marketing, which is awesome because you learn and master what matters in terms of generating sales. After you master it and you want to create your own product or service, you already know how to promote it. The goal is to find out what people are already searching online, then give the answers they need where the product you're offering is the solution for the problem. You want to educate people about the problem that they have and how they can fix it with the products that you recommend. So simple, right? There are so many opportunities to make money online nowadays that the hard part is actually keeping your full attention in one way to make money. You're here learning one business model and then in a blink of an eye, you're already tempted to do something else just because of the YouTube video that you just watched. Can you relate? The thing is that probably all business models are proven to work if you really dedicate to the process, when you cut out distractions. And here's the beauty about this new digital economy. After you break the code, it's very easy to automate things, use old content such as video, articles, to generate leads and sales even after years of publishing it. Follow my train of thought now. As you pile content and automate things, you have more time in your hands to start learning and implement new ways to monetize online. But if you want to start earning money online, you want to start with one strategy, one social media platform to deliver your content, and one business model until you get results. Get it? If you want to learn more, make sure to watch my video how to start affiliate marketing for beginners. Also, sign up for the 3-day training that I'm gonna leave in the description. Don't forget to like this video if you got any value from it, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to build digital stage, because my goal is to help you to succeed in this new digital economy. Vanessa here, and I'll see you in my next video.